Welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this slow motion section, we are going to take a look at a PLANEO for the follower.
Before we go to the video, remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
Now, let's get to it. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlists, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com, and now we go back to the video.
If you are here, thank you so much for your support.
Okay, see you on the next video.
Bye, take care.